All right, hey, quick update, just filming the pipe going in. So I'm down in the ditch. There's Grandpa back there going. So as he levels or gets the main dig out, then I'm coming back along with my shovel and leveling it out. And then I'm just taking an actual, just a plain old little level. We couldn't find the big one. And we're going along in the middle and on each joint and just gluing it together with this stuff. There you go. And it's going pretty good. So we've got 60 feet in. It's 185 feet up to the where we got to connect up there. So yeah. So I guess we got a ways to go, but whatever. That's what I say. That's what we do. Keep digging, and there you go. Just wanted to give an update of what actual work happening. So the backhoe is digging. There it is. He makes my job pretty easy because he gets it pretty darn level down in here anyway. And then all I got to do is stomp on it, make sure it's firm, and then level out any little bumps and whatnot. So it's going good. All right. Thanks, everybody. See you soon. Bye.